Good day, welcome to Tech Study Academy. I'm Aishat. Today we shall study post on WordPress. Post can also be described as articles. It helps you to popularize your site. You cannot just have an empty website, so of course you need posts in it. You need to popularize your website with post or article. So in the course of this lecture, if you hear me say article, I also mean post. So I might interchange them. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about how to add posts to your website, how to edit posts on your website, and also how to delete posts on your website. And of course, how to edit posts on your website. So first and foremost, we are conversant with how to launch our XAMPP. Of course, it's our server, and we must launch it before we start anything. So we've already launched our XAMPP, and if you went through our previous lecture, I'm sure you will still remember our address. That's our website address. And so we're going to type our website address now. So if you have your Firefox, you can just launch your Firefox, because I've launched mine. And then you type in the address for our site, which is a localhost / Tech Study Academy. So automatically it says bringing out because I've logged into it before. So I'm going to click on log into Tech Study site. So since you're running on a local server, you do not need an internet to be able to visit your site, because you're running on a local server, so you don't need to subscribe to the internet before you can access your site here. But if you hosted it on Bluehost, Google Host, and other hosts, you need an internet. And of course, your users to need an internet. But this your site is not visible to people outside the world. It's only visible to you within your own local computer. So you don't need an internet to visit your site. But if you want others outside to see your site, if you don't want to limit it within yourself, then you have to subscribe to host companies. We have several of them. We have Bluehost, we have Google Host, we have Domain King, several of them that you can subscribe to, depends on what you want. But of course, for study purpose, you don't need to go through all that stress, and that was why we subscribed to a local host. That will suffice for whatever it is you want to do. So now this is it. Just brought up our login page. So of course we already have our password saved. So we're going to log in straight. So this will log us onto the dashboard, like we said in our previous lecture. That is the first page that you see when you log into WordPress. It is the dashboard that you see. And today we said we're talking about post, so we're going to talk about post here. So first of all, we're going to talk on how to add posts to your website. Now, to add posts to your website, the first thing you do is to bring your cursor, your mouse to this point, and you see that it's directing us to other sublinks. So now we're going to click on add new. This is add new, so we'll click on add new. Once you click on add new, it's going to take you to another page, a page where you can add any article that you want to add to your website. So this is it. We're here. This has brought us to our add new page. So this is just tips, so I'm going to just close the tips. Okay, so here is asking you to add title, and here is asking you to write These are blocks that holds your paragraphs. You can add blocks. These are blocks here. If you wanna, okay, first let's start from title so I don't confuse you. So title, it's asking for the title of your article. Of course, every article or every post needs a title, definitely. So let's say our title is gonna be Hello World. Okay, that's our title. Then it's asking us to write, this is the body of your article. This is where you're going to write the body of your article. So you're going to click on the body of your article and write whatever it is you want to write. So I can just say, I just want to say hello. I just want to say hello. So for instance, this is the first paragraph, and then I want to add another paragraph. So by the time I just click on the enter key, I'm sure you know what the enter key means. The enter key on your keyboard, it takes you to another block, okay, where you can write again. Can we meet? These are paragraphs, okay? These are paragraphs. But if it's going to be on the same paragraph, it's going to continue like this. But once you press the enter key on your keyboard, it takes you to another paragraph. So when you're done with adding everything you want to add, okay, once you're done with adding anything at all that you want to add, then you might now want the outside world to see what you've written, what is on your mind, what you want to share. So to do that, you click on the publish button. This is the publish button. But if you want to see how your article is going to look like to your users, then you click on preview. So we're going to click on preview now to show us our site, what we've done. So this is it. When our users log onto our site, this is what they're going to see. Okay, it's showing them what we've done. We've posted Hello World. This is our site. We've popularized our site with Hello World. I just want to say hello. Can we meet? So this is it. This is what our users are going to see. So this is a preview. If you're okay with it, then you can say fine, I'm okay with this, so I can now publish to the outside world. So you come here and click on publish. Okay, so are you ready to publish? You say yeah, you're ready to publish. So see, Hello World is now live. It means that whenever our users visit our site, they can see our article. So that is that on how to add posts. So the next one, we're going to talk about how to edit our posts. Now in the long run, I discovered that okay, fine, I don't want Hello World anymore. I want Hello People. So I'm going to have to search for this post that I've done before and try to edit it, because of course I don't want Hello World again. Hello World is too popular for my liking, so I want to use Hello People. So to do that, I'm going to go through the same step, like that same post that I visited initially, but it's no longer taking us to the right hand side to show us sublinks. It has already included our sublinks under the post. So you're going to check under now, okay, and not towards the right like it was initially when we first started. So I'm going to click on all posts. All posts is going to show me all the posts that I have done on my site. Every post that I have published on my site, the all posts link will take me there. So I'm going to click on all posts now so we can see all the posts that we've done on our website. So this is it. These are all the posts that we've done on our website. Hello World, Hello World. So you see that it's two hello world. Meanwhile, we've actually published one post, isn't it? Don't be confused. This was the default post that came with WordPress. Okay, so this was the one that we did. Okay, so now you can see this was published January 18th, 2019, and this was published 2 minutes ago. So this was published when we launched WordPress, when we installed WordPress, and now this is the one that we just published today, which is 2 minutes ago. So now this is the one that we published. We're going to now edit. So to edit, we'll bring our cursor here, our mouse here, and we edit. We click on it to edit. So once we click on it, this is it. Okay, we have what we had initially. Now we said we don't want hello world. Hello world is too popular for our applicants, so we're going to type in hello people. So hello people, don't mind me. So hello people, and so okay, we want to add more blocks, so we're going to come here and click on the enter button, and we'll say, if you don't mind, I would like to be your friend. Okay, so this is okay. So we said that we're done like this. We're done editing. This is what I want to say. Okay, I want an exclamation here. So we're done with what I want to say. So you can preview if you want to preview like we did earlier, and then since I'm done, I'm not going to leave this page until I update, because if I do not update, then I'm still going to be seeing the same old post, the same hello world that I don't want to see. So I'm going to click on update. So you take your mouse here and click on update. So after updating, it will now be showing this instead of what we had initially. So the next we're going to talk about is how to delete posts. I don't want this post anymore, Initially I thought I wanted hello people because hello world was too popular, but now I don't want it anymore. Okay, so I want it deleted from my site. I don't want to see it on my site. No, I don't know, maybe I just don't want to see it on my site again, so don't ask me why. Okay, so if we now want to delete, we're still going to come here again. Okay, so I'm going to go to all posts, so I can choose the post that I don't want to see on my site. Okay, so we'll come here and then we'll click. Or should we still preview this? Okay, let's preview this. Let's preview this before we go there. Okay, so you see, it's no longer showing the hello world, and this is the same post, so it's not showing hello people. I just want to say hello, can we meet? If you don't mind, I'd like to be your friend. I wouldn't mind. So let's go and see how we can trash this, because I don't want to see this on my site anymore. So we'll go to all posts, click. Okay, so these are all the posts, you see, hello world, hello people. Now I don't want to say this. Okay, so you come to whichever post you want to delete. If it's this you want to delete, you bring your cursor here. If it's this you want to delete, you bring your cursor here. But it is this we want to delete, right? So I'm going to bring our cursor here, and you see edit, quick edit. We have a trash and we have view. Don't forget, view is the same thing as preview. Once you click on this, it takes you, it lets you view your post. Once you click on this, it just lets you to edit some part of your post, but not all. But this edit helps you to, edit everything about your post. So we're going to come here. You see trash? You see that red sign there, like, if you do this to me, you should be warned, because when you do this, you're not going to see me again. So that's why, see that red sign. Like, we Nigerians believe that color red, it signifies danger. That's what I believe anyway. Some traditions believe that color red is danger. I don't know, maybe because fire is red. So I believe that the color red should always be attached to something that is dangerous. Well, I do not know. I'll leave it to that. So we're going to click on trash now to trash our post. So click on trash. And here that. Wow. It's gone. Okay. So it's trashed. You no longer have it here. Okay. No longer have it. So it's trashed already. Okay. So that's how to delete your post. So today I think we've been able to add posts, edit posts, delete posts, preview posts, and of course trash post. So I'll leave you to that to try your hands on what we've done so far. In our next lecture, we're going to dive more into WordPress. So I'd like you to take care of yourself and make sure you do your best to go through what we've done. Okay? So see you next time. Bye.